We're going to leave you with a song that was written by a woman who was both my friend and my teacher. Her name was Emma. Kalani kawiki alane okili olani nui amamau o opi iwahine kia kalei hilina kapua loke o kalani a kia te fris. Auntie was a very vibrant spirit. And this song was composed one afternoon when the clouds over Honolulu in Uanu Valley above Hanaia Kamalama were looking like little circular, beautiful flower lei in the sky. So in that metaphor of the lei, it speaks about love, the kind of love that we can count on and call on always. And this evening, while we sing this song for all of you here in the room and certainly everybody listening on the radio and on the internet, we want to sing this song in honor of a woman who was my good friend. Recently we lost the First Lady of Hawaiian Music, Auntie Genoa Ke'ave. She passed away at 89 years old, and up until about a month before her passing, Auntie thought nothing of bringing her ukulele, coming down to the Paradise Lounge, and saying, "Oh, I'll sing a song or two," and then playing for an hour with us on the stage. I loved her very much, and I appreciated that she was in my life, especially that she took the time towards the end to make her presence known and her heart felt. So this evening, all of you around the world who are celebrating her life will sing this with us in our spirits as well. Well, for me, you are as a flower lei whose beauty will never fade. And throughout all of life, even eternity, I know in my heart, you will always be with me. And so we find ourselves waiting here, waiting for you and all the divine energies that's around us to come and make sure the love that's been shared always remains together.